not just 31. That's my asshole. That's Terry Warfield.
What is up, y'all? Terry Warfield back for another video. First thing y'all probably wondering is why I don't have a shirt on. Well, it's late, I'm hot, and I don't feel like getting a shirt, so y'all just gonna have to deal with it. But you already know the drill, man. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, make sure you drop a hashtag up in here so that we know you up in the comments. So I came today to talk about the second Galaxy Note 9 leak. Now, if you guys haven't checked out the first video I made about the Galaxy Note 9 when the first leak came out, the link is up there or up there. So make sure you go check that out, man. But they leaked another video on the Samsung New Zealand page. Now, let me just say this, Samsung. I love y'all, man. You know it's all love, it come from the heart. But who y'all think y'all fooling, man? Who y'all think y'all fooling? You don't mistakenly post no YouTube video. Mistakenly posting a YouTube video is like mistakenly falling into a Ferrari. Like, it just don't happen, right? That video is at least a gigabyte. So you mean to tell me somebody was like, hit that button by mistake, uploaded a whole YouTube video by mistake? No, it don't happen. No, somebody uploaded it to build the buzz for the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. We ain't dumb. And rightfully so though, because it's looking like so far this is about to be the device of the year. Here's everything that we know so far. We got new processors, right? New Exynos, new Snapdragon. It's supposed to be a little bit thinner, right? We got better cameras, likely the same cameras that are in the Galaxy S9 Plus. They moved the fingerprint sensor to where it should have been in the first place. New improved S Pen that's supposed to offer improved Bluetooth functionality. We got a 3.5mm headphone jack. Supposed to be either 6 GB of RAM or 8 GB of RAM, and at least at minimum 128 GB of storage with dual stereo speakers. If I missed something, look at the spec sheet wherever you can find it at. But this video is basically confirming everything that we already know. See, the first video that came out was just kind of speculation. Now, we actually got some meat and potatoes posted from a Samsung page with the box that I'm about to talk about in 1 second, confirming that this is the real deal. Now, for you guys that don't know, Samsung still has the registration page up for pre-ordering the Galaxy Note 9. So also, we know that the official launch date is August 24th. So y'all gotta make sure if you want one, I'm not getting paid for this or nothing like that. If you want one, you gotta go pre-order because I'm sure these are gonna sell out because everybody wants them. So make sure you go check that out. Moving forward, Samsung Unpacked is August 9th. So that will be when they officially launch all the details, but too bad, so sad. Thanks to y'all, we already know all the details. So let's talk about this box, man. This box was posted in Russian. Now, everybody knows that you can go on Google and translate it. Thankfully, somebody already did the work. This image does not belong to me. I'm just kind of reposting it so y'all see it. So here's everything that's confirmed. Screen, we already know. We already know it's got better cameras. We already know it's got 960 frames per second. New electronic S Pen. Memory is 128 GB of storage. We're gonna talk about that in a second. 4,000 milliamp battery, stereo speakers, AKG headphones, which bravo for giving us AKG headphones, because them things is sweet, man. And everything else that we already know come with a Samsung. I think the most exciting thing about this whole leak is that this 4,000 milliamp battery is real. 4,000 milliamps of battery life. They're calling it the all-day battery, which means I can sit there and consume media and text and do whatever else I gotta do on my phone all day, hopefully without charging. So it sounds good in theory. We'll see how I hold up in practice. The next thing that I'm stoked about is the storage capacity. So based off of this, we can see that 128 gigabytes is probably gonna be the base model, right? There'll probably be a 128, a 256, and a 512. That's still up in the air. But with the 512, if you put another 512 in there via micro SD, you got 1 terabyte of storage. I have to keep my excitement down because my kids are asleep. 1 terabyte of storage, man. That means I can shoot all types of 4K video and keep it right on my phone and not have to worry about running out of storage. That's crazy to me. That is crazy. So while we talking about memory, we don't know for sure yet, but it's supposed to be either 6 gigs or 8 gigs of RAM. I'm gonna be disappointed, as I said in the previous video, if it ain't 8 gigs of RAM. So I better see 8 gigs of RAM or somebody gonna be I better see 8 gigs of RAM, all right? So let's talk about the price, because we don't really know what the price is gonna be. Now that we know it's gonna be multiple variants, I bet you the 128 gigabyte version is about to be $899. You mark my words, $899. Now the 512 gigabyte version, I'm sure, will be in excess of probably $1,000, $1,100. Rightfully so. I mean, look at everything you getting in this phone. The other thing that I really want to touch on is this S Pen. Like, I'm excited for the new technology that they supposed to be implementing with this new S Pen, but why? I cannot understand for the life of me. Does it have to look like a lightning rod? If I buy a Galaxy Note 9, man, I want my S Pen to be the same color as my phone. If I get a black phone, I want a black S Pen. If I get a blue phone, I want a blue S Pen. And I mean, I know personal preference, but I don't want no separate color S Pen. Give me an S Pen that matches my phone body. So now that we know everything basically about the Samsung Galaxy Note 9, I want to know what you guys think. Yeah, I mean, we got all types of powerful phones out here now. The Galaxy Note 8 is still a hugely powerful phone. Galaxy S9 Plus, the iPhone 10 is still out there. You got the new OnePlus phone. You got all of these different phones coming out. What are you gonna do? Are you getting a new Galaxy Note 9? Are you forking over your hard-earned money to Samsung for this new phone? Me personally, I got to get it. It ain't no way I'm not getting this phone, and I hopefully will have it early so that I can get a review out for you guys early. But be looking out for that Galaxy Note 9 review. You already know I'm gonna do one. Like I said, I'm stoked for this new Galaxy Note 9 release. Make sure you go check out the other video of the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. That's it, man. That's it. We almost there. It's August 5th right now. It's time for the Galaxy Note 9 to come out. We got 4 days for unpack. August 24th launch. See y'all soon.